Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Are you looking to launch companion care services in Kansas? Follow this step-by-step guide. Waiver Consulting Group helps community care agencies, home-based providers, and support organizations establish Medicaid-compliant programs that foster independence, reduce isolation, and provide emotional support. Under KanCare and select HCBS waivers, companion care providers offer non-medical services such as conversation, supervision, community outings, medication reminders, and emotional support. These services are ideal for individuals who don't require hands-on care, but benefit from gentle assistance and social interaction. To get started, first of all, enroll through KMAP, complete credentialing with KanCare MCOs, Sunflower, Aetna, United Healthcare. Secondly, secure authorization based on the participant's individualized service plan, ISP. Waiver Consulting Group assists with policy development, staff readiness, and billing setup. Learn more at waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172.